Pogba ready for United exit. Paul Pogba has stepped up his bid to leave Manchester United this summer by claiming that he needs a new challenge. Real Madrid and Juventus are keen to sign the France midfielder, who doubts whether United will challenge for silverware next season. Zinedine Zidane, the Real Madrid head coach, has made Pogba his next target as he continues to rebuild at the Bernabeu after the signing of Eden Hazard and 4 other players for a combined fee that could reach £320 million. Real are reluctant to enter a bidding war with Juventus, who sold him to United for a world record £89 million in 2016. Pogba, 26, is understood to be willing to join Real, but it is unclear whether the Spanish club would pay a fee in excess of £150 million. After everything that happened this season, with my season being my best season as well, for me it could be a good time to have a new challenge somewhere else, Pogba said during a promotional visit in Japan. I am thinking of this, to have a new challenge somewhere else. I have been in Manchester for 3 years and have been doing great. Some good moments and some bad moments, like everybody. Like everywhere else. Pogba was an influential figure in France's World Cup triumph last summer, but displayed inconsistent form at Old Trafford this season despite scoring 16 goals in all competitions. He was stripped of the vice-captaincy in September by José Mourinho, the former manager who left in December. Pogba has said that it would be a dream to play for Real and Zidane. While United failed to qualify for the Champions League next season, Real did so and have lifted the trophy 4 times in the past 6 seasons. The midfielder's contract, worth £290,000 a week, expires in 2021 and the club have an option to extend the deal by a further season. United are adamant that Pogba will not be sold. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, the manager, has been keen to offer him the vice-captaincy in an attempt to persuade him to stay at the club. Ashley Young is expected to become the captain in succession to the departing Antonio Valencia. Solskjaer wants to sign 4 more players, including 2 midfielders, after the arrival of Daniel James from Swansea City last week. As many as 6 players could leave Old Trafford in the coming weeks. United have offered £35 million, rising to £50 million for Aaron Wan-Bissaka, but Crystal Palace want closer to £60 million for their right-back. United are also keen on Sean Longstaff, the Newcastle United midfielder. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with more informative information. If the information is helpful, please press the subscription button.